You spin because it's fun. You do it to keep fit. And you do it because you're happy. We've been spinning since 1845 because we can. As a pioneer in washing technology, we inspire and set ourselves apart with innovation, with outstanding quality, and with sophisticated technology. Developed and built in Switzerland, popular all around the world, with exceptional design and the latest technology, always one spin ahead. Wash like a pro. As a one-stop shop, we offer a 360-degree solution with outstanding service for hygienically clean laundry for your company, for you, and for you. Simply for all needs and sectors. As a Swiss company, we set standards using the motto, "Go clean, go green," on genuine sustainability in materials and production, so that our world keeps spinning tomorrow, and we are on it, together. Schulthess, spinning for joy.